Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bavy TechScape. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make math magic, using math to make magic. Let's start. To make our very own math magic, first we have to go into heavy code. Then we have to go into text, print. We have to put the luckiest places to visit in 2020. Then you have to put a new line, and then you have to put print, to put 0.0 point. That means you have to put a state anywhere. Like I'm gonna put New York. You could put anywhere. But at the last one, you have to only put 9 of them. At the last one, you have to put stay at home. So you have to do it until 0 to 9. Okay, I have done all of these states. So first I did Canberra, Disneyland, Mumbai, China, Turkey, India, England, Guernsey, New York, and 9. At the last one, 9, stay at home. And then what you're supposed to do is go into variables and create a variable called guess. And then put guess. I already put guess digit 2, digit 1. You have to make all of those variables, and then you have to get set guess to prompt for not text. You have to put number, and here you have to put enter a number. You have to put 0 to 9, like that. And then you have to put again variables, set guess math, and here you have to put multiplication, and you have to put guess here. You have to take this guess and put multiply by 3, and then you have to put set guess plus 3, and then same, set guess multiply by 3. After you put set guess to guess multiplied by 3, you have to go into variables and get something that says set digit 1 to go into math and get something that says reminder of guess divided by 10, and then go into the variables again and set digit 2 to math operation division, and then you have to go into variables, set what? Yes, guess divided by 10. And then you have to go down, set digit 2 again, and then you have to go into math, round down to digit 2, and then set guess to math. You have to put plus, you have to put digit 1 plus digit 2, and then you have to go into text, print text, and then you have to write the place, your place to visit in 2020 is 2020 number is, then they're going to text, print, and guess. We're done. So when you click run, it will ask for a number. Click 6 and it will say 9. So you have to wait a second. You have to put new lines. 2 new lines. And then it will be set. Okay, I'll ask for a number. Type in number and type in 4. And it will say your place to visit in 2020 number is 9. Stay at home. If you enter any number, see right now, I'm going to enter 2. It still says 9 because anywhere any number we enter, it's going to be 9 because it's COVID time. That's the magic in the code. It will always say 9, so you have to stay at home because it's Corona time. This is our math magic. This is how we make our very own math magic. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, like, and click the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye.